In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Square Enix account from Steam. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to handle it if the unlink option isn't available on the website. Before we start, make sure you can sign into your Square Enix account and that you have a stable internet connection. Begin by going to the official Square Enix website and signing into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, head to your account profile area, the place where you manage account settings. This is typically labeled as account, profile, or account management, and it's where Square Enix keeps all the controls for your personal information and connections. Inside your account settings, look for a section called Link Accounts or something similar that manages connections to external platforms. This is where Square Enix shows any services your account is connected to. In that list, locate the entry for Steam. It should clearly indicate that your Square Enix account is currently linked to a Steam account. Select the option to unlink or disconnect the Steam account. The wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for a button or link that removes the connection. When you select it, you'll likely see a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully, because unlinking can affect how you access certain games and might impact data shared between accounts, such as entitlements or cross-platform features. Confirm the action if you're sure you want to proceed. If you don't see a way to unlink directly on the website, don't worry. In that case, you'll need to contact Square Enix customer support and request that they unlink the accounts for you. Be prepared to provide the necessary account details they request and to follow their verification process to prove ownership. This usually involves confirming information tied to your accounts and answering security questions. Response times can vary, so keep an eye on your support ticket or email for follow-up instructions. Once the unlinking is complete, your Square Enix account will no longer be connected to Steam. That means you may not be able to use Steam to sign in or access certain features that relied on the link, and some game data or benefits may not carry over. If you play titles with specific linking rules, check those game support pages for details on what changes after unlinking and whether relinking is allowed later. That's it for this guide. If this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime. Thanks for watching.